So fast again, Sunday, a beautiful day of covering basketball, especially here right in the heart of Central Luzon. We're coming to you live po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Anim na laro po ulit tayo dito sa ating Delta Cup municipalities and cities basketball league para sa mga Kapampangan. And of course, we're gonna bring you now the first game in just a few minutes. Ang ating laban ngayon, mga debuting teams na hindi pa nakakalaro for the past weeks ng ating broadcast, ang Bacolor versus Arayat. And we're gonna make sure that these two teams na magpapakita natin yan, some of the players are already warmed up for the past 5 to 10 minutes at makikita natin sa mga players na hindi lang sila gigil manalo but they wanna showcase their skill, their talent, and their heart. Of course, kung i-replay natin from last week, one of the best games that we have so far in Delta Cup is the game between Lubao and Porac. Just to let you know, yung Porac, ilamang sila ng 12, nakabalik ang Lubao, nakascore pa ng 3 points in 0.8 seconds ang Porac, pero yung last tira ng Lubao ay not counted because of the stepping on the line, and that receives a viral not only on our broadcast but also to the Facebook page ng ating ipropromote ngayon. Of course, you may like, share our Facebook page, yung Pampanga PIO, or the Public Information Office, courtesy of course of our beloved Governor Ben Disdelta Pineda. And of course, this is also powered by Sinag Liga Asia. You may like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages. In just a minute, we're gonna bring you now the starting fives of this. And of course, dahil handang-handa na lang, let's turn over now to the venue announcer for the starting fives. Bacolor versus Arayat for your Pampanga, for Delta Cup Inter Basketball Municipalities and Cities. Stay tuned. Well, in just a few minutes, mga kabalin, we're gonna start our six-game broadcast. And of course, like what you see now on your screens, ang dalawang team na ito, Bacolor and Arayat, are debuting for this broadcast para sa ating Delta Cup Municipalities and Cities Basketball. Ryan, para pumuli. Nagmumula dito live dito sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. At siyempre, ang Central Luzon na to, this is the gateway to Central Luzon, itong Pampanga, the giant lantern capital of the Philippines. Daman-daman na nila itong season na ito. And of course, what a way to enjoy this November and December somewhat a cold season ay ang mga laro dito sa Delta Cup. Bacolor, by the way, they're wearing in white, and Arayat wearing in green. Of course, yung Arayat, malapit yan sa Mount Arayat sa Pampanga. Bacolor is the first town kung magagaling kayo ng NLEX after ng San Fernando. Bacolor will be the first municipality right there. At meron yan interconnectivity dyan sa NLEX, sa SC-TEX. Kung pupunta kayo ng Pasubig o Patarlac. Now, for this particular implications, the Bacolor team composed of the two players that I'm expected to see some highlights are Santos and David. Both Santos and David, nakikita ko sa warm-up, they are pretty good as far as rebounding is concerned. Ito namang Arayat, they will solely depend on this big guy Manalang. Siya yung parang junior Justin Baltasar because his idol, of course, he wants to perfect his low post. At kita mo naman, comedy pa. Talagang hindi siya camera shy. Talagang ayaw niya manlamang pagdating sa mga show boat. But anyway, let me introduce to you our referees for this ball game. Para sa ating first game, it's the international referee Bertz Isuga, Mike Escalamis, and Jose Villafranca. These are the three referees, the three policemen that will whistle. Again, nanonood po kayo ng ating Pampanga Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball, also known as Delta Cup, brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. That's where we're right now live sa Facebook page ng Pampanga Information Office. Also, this is also restreamed live sa Sinag Liga Asia. Tournament Commissioner is already in attendance. Coach Leo Isaac, also a Mapuan like me. Ay, binabati ko yung mga Mapuan coaches dyan. Si Coach Randy Alcantara, good luck to you. Hopefully, our Cardinals would do better. And in just a few seconds, the starting fives will now be in the center court. At mag-uumpisa na po tayo ng ating 6-game broadcast mula umaga hanggang gabi. Today is Sunday, November 12. We are almost halfway point of November. Kumusta na po kayo? Sigurado, in 3 days, eto na. Yung mga magbo-bonus o yung mapapaagang bonus or something, spend it wisely. And also save, invest, and at the same time, ako lang, miss ko na po yung mga aking mga labuan. So hopefully we can see you, my mom and dad, in a few days. Now, important thing here dito sa ating tournament kasi I've already talked to Tournament Commissioner Leo Isaac. This will be a single round robin format. So napakaraming tayong teams. We have more than 16 teams participating, municipalities and cities. At karamihan sa mga nag-participate from last 2 playing days, they're all first-timers. So but for today, may mga teams tayo na maglaro on their second game so that we will have a comparative stats or comparative analysis. And we are just waiting for this particular game to start as of the moment. At syempre, yung mga mahihilig dyan sa tapsilog, mahihilig dyan sa longganisa, something like yun yung mga nami-miss natin mga kabalin na pagkain every time na pumunta ang ating production team right here dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Look, if you see the skies at the top of this convention center, it is a beautiful temperature of 28 degrees, morning breeze here in San Fernando City, Pampanga, and we're just waiting for this game to start. Yung dalawang referees natin na nandito na. And of course, mamaya-maya yung mga VIPs natin ay pupunta rito to ensure total entertainment and total, enlightenment para sa ating Delta Cup. At of course, alam mo nyo, ang Pampanga is a pedigree of champions. They once NBA champions in 1998. And of course, yung sa isa-isang liga, they want to become champions. And of course, formerly, they are also PSL champions. So talagang ang pedigree ni Governor Delta Pineda, not only developed in basketball, but also sports. At saka isa pang nakita kong vision dito ni Governor Delta Pineda yung Pampanga is maging sports capital ng Central Luzon. Talagang ginastosan talaga ni Gov Delta Pineda, lalo na itong venue na to. Did you know that in pandemic times talagang ni-renovate niya itong Renzia Convention Center and others? However, with regards to that, since we are about to see now the starting lineups, here are the starting lineups right on your screens. Para sa Bacolor on light colored uniforms, we have two guards, Manase and De La Cruz. Center is Olieres. The forward is Manlutak and Jugino. And for Arayat, we have the two Borjas, the Borja brothers, wearing green. Center is Marcelo. Forward is Canlas. And the forward is Bondok. Those are the starters para sa ating Delta Cup in the first game. Balikan natin ang storya dito sa mga teams na ito sa Bacolor and Arayat. Napaka-importante kay Governor Delta Pineda na man-develop ang mga batang ito, because if they perform well and if they perform their best, who knows, they might be recruited to the college teams in Metro Manila, or who knows, they might be also included to the tryouts of the national team. And if they do well, hindi sila pababayaan ni Governor Delta Pineda. And with that, we are about to start the game. I think let's proceed the game now for our broadcast. As we see now, the fans are now fill up. Pack the fans here at the GUIAO Convention Center. Ayan, kita-kita natin yung mga fans unti-unti ng buong putas sa kanilang ringside seat. Siyempre, itong si Commissioner Totoy Marquez, nakikiusap siya sa ating mga kabalin na dyan sila pumunta right beside the camera. Pakita sila sa ating live stream. One more thing about the Bacolor team is that they have a lot of very good guards. At isa dyan si Soto, si Capaldi, si Manlutak. They are very quick players, and we expect that this team will endure well and will do pressure to the ball carrier. All right, that's the signal. Now, finally, after a long wait, we're gonna start the game. Yan po ang composed ng Arayat. Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, si Manalang will be the focal point of offense. And other guards like Daluso will also be contributing. Ito ang Bacolor, napakarami nilang guards. So, the very big question here, since both teams are playing their first game in chemistry. Of course, their technical operations sa ating table official, of course, is sa mga assistant coaches ng Pampanga, si Totoy Marquez. Bigyan ko lang ng background sa ating Pampanga team. Way back in 1998, they bagged the very first regional national championship on the defunct NBA in 1998. And other than that, in 2100, they're PSL champions. And on the other league, they want to be champions as well in a few weeks. Ito na, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Bacolor versus Arayat. Ang tawag dito Villa de Bacolor. So, the feel and also the flow of the offense and defense, dito magkakaalaman sino yung mas kakagat o sino yung mas makakakuha kagad ng gelling. Alright, Bert Sisuga, the chief referee, will toss the ball and we are on the way. Unang possession sa naka-green na Arayat. Ang 3-point shot hindi pumasok.
Ito na yung sinasabi kong takbuhan itong Bacolor. Nice crossover right down the baseline. The 101 la. Pare clears the board for Arayat. Here's Pare. Low post play. Too strong. Again, tumatakbo ang Bacolor. May konting banggaan. Of course, referee is letting it go. Yan ay si De La Cruz. Titira ng tres right in front of me. Tungkab. Offensive rebound. Bounces out. Offensive board once again. That is foul. Alright, ang unang foul of the ball game. Laban sa Arayat. That's number 7, Marcelo. That's his first personal. On your screens, titira siya ng dalawang free throw. Kita niyo direct yung kanyang shoes, ha? Kulay blue at white na shoes. Kakaiba. Alam mo, dati naiingit ako sa mga shoes, pero ngayon ay ako na-amaze sa ganda ng kanilang mga sapatos. First free throw is no good. The second is good. It's a split para kay Olieres. Yan ay si Olieres ng Bacolor. The score is 1-0. A minute gone by sa ating first quarter. The drive to the basket. Nako, lumabas lang. He gets it right back. Here's Pare once again against two defenders. Low post play. The reverse. Beat in. Bacolor on the run. And this guy, Manese, has a green line to the basket. So, dalawang first field goal na po sa laro. Galing kay Manese. 3-0. 3-point shot won by. Oh, look at that rebound. He towers eye on that. At siya'y tumatakbo. Pero Jokino nabitawan ng bola. On the other hand, great drop pass. At nakita niya ang open guy underneath. That's Canlas who scored the basket. 3-2 is their count. Oh, drive inside again. Manlutak breaks free. And Gina was called for a foul. Tignan natin sa ating slow-mo. Screen roll play, nakalusot. He's gone. Great play there. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that is a free throw violation. Okay, explain ko lang natin sa ating mga Kabalin fans, no? At sa ating mga viewers. Kapag po kayo mag-free throw, dapat hindi nyo po i-fake. Pagka ganon, tas i-fake nyo, bawal po yun. Dapat, pagka nasa form na kayo na i-bend yung tuhod, dapat i-release ng maayos. Pero kung halimbawa, i-bend nyo yung tuhod, tas i-fake nyo, hindi po pwede yan sa FIBA. That's a free throw violation. Alright. Meron tayong foul sa Bacolor. Yan, bola. Tingnan nyo maigi, ha? Yun. Pagka grip mo ng bola, release mo. Huwag hindi mo i-fake. Yan po ang tamang direction on how to shoot the free throws. Alam niyo, habang tumatagal ang FIBA, naghihigpit sila sa mga rules na ganyan. At kita niyo naman ng mga nakarang broadcast natin, maraming mga technical sa mga tinawagan sa mga bata, sa taunting, sa disrespectful for official. 7:32 remaining in the first quarter. 5-3 is the count. The 3-point shot sa Wobra. Ito, Marcelo. Naku, nabitawan ang bola. So that will be the problem to use. But look at this. Manese. Lumipad. Lays it in. It is now 7-3. Time down to 7 minutes and 11 remaining in the first quarter. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Ang kanyang tira. Tungkap din. 9 to shoot, the long pass. Muntik na matapon sa baw. 9 on the shot clock. Here's the drive, the drop. Nako, sumobra. Good intention though, pero walang masyado short. But that is a kickball. Ngayon, explain ko lang sa ating mga viewers, no? Dati sa kickball, kapag ang bola ay nasisipa, nare-reset sa 20 po. Ngayon, hindi na po. Kapag ang kickball ay above 24, the shot clock will retain. Pero, kapag ang kick ball ay nangyari below the 14-second shot clock, nagre-reset po yan. Just to let you know. Samantala, bulldoze play, ayaw para kay Ulieres. Ang depensa na maayos dito ng Arayat. At ang bola mananatili pa rin sa naka-berding Arayat. Canlas will inbound for the Witchers. And they're trailing by 4 points, 3-7. And down to 6 minutes and 27 sa ating first quarter. Ito, 3-point shot on the right wing. Wala. At ayan, si referee Bert Susugan, tinawagan ng foul. Si number 8. That will be his first personal. Ito na ang atake ng Bacolor. Nice defensive stance. The ball will stay with Bacolor. With about 15 seconds on the shot clock. Meron po tayong substitution. Ito na yung sinasabi kong Justin Baltasar Jr. Tignan natin kung he will live it to that expectation. Alright, yung winning foul kanina ay si Guma at ngayon siya ipapalitan. That is first personal. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Manese on the right wing. Manese, double team. Nilabas ang bola. 7 to shoot. And that's gonna be a cause of traveling. First traveling ever. Ayan. Tuwang-tuwa si Balong. Si Balong ngayon nasa taas. Nasa press box ang ating one of the cameramans, Renato Balong Mulato. By the way, sa ating mga ISAA fans, humingi rin po ako ng paumanhin noong nakaraang Sabado dahil meron po akong mga previous commitment. But starting tomorrow on our ISAA games sa Maynila, ang aking buddy Alvin Tanyada will do the broadcasting duty starting tomorrow. Mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo probably at halftime the games sa ating ISAA. In the meantime, De La Cruz ang kanyang baseline drive. Nako, niluwa. 7-3 po ang talan. Lamang po ang Bacolor ng 4. The hook shot. Ba? Creative niya pero hindi na pumasok. Ito na naman ang Bacolor. 4-on-1 situation. Can they do it? Lapira consummates. Yan ang sinasabi ni Coach na fast break play na sinabi ko kanina sa first quarter. Alright, the exact count 9-3. Bacolor up by 6. 5-18 in the first quarter. We have a timeout. And let's check first. Before we turn you over to our reminders, this is the fast break completion of Bacolor. Okay, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa ating Delta Cup. Live na live po sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Again, you're watching the Pampanga Municipalities and Cities Basketball League. Brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than our beloved Governor, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And this is also powered by Sinag Liga Asia. And you can like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages, Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia. All it says, the referee, meron tayong foul. At ang foul na matatawagan sa Bacolor ay si Charles Austria. His first personal. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Ryan. Ito na kanilang box 1 play. Pumunta sa kalawang bahagi. They have 9 to shoot. Moting na maga. 1-5 on the shot clock. Uy! Nagulat ako doon sa shot clock ha. Ngayon, nakita ng referee ng somebody stuck an elbow at matatawagan para sa Arayat ay si Bondok. That will be his first personal offensive foul para kay Bondok. Alright, team foul picture shows Arayat meron ng 4, 2 pa lamang sa Bacolor, and that is a turnover. Lapida. Ang tawag sa ating mga salitang kolokyal ay tapon ang sabaw. 4:21 remaining sa ating first quarter. Ito na ang pasa mula sa ilalim. The side step, the Filipino step. Pero meron tayong foul sa ilalim. And that foul will be given up by, let's check that in slow-mo. Kung sino nakakuha ng foul. And the foul will be against number 7. Ayan. Ang tinawagan ay si Jamil Joquino. His first personal. Ito ang free throw. Pasok yan. The lead is 4 points para sa Bacolor. 9-5. Approaching the 4-minute mark sa ating first quarter. Magandang pasahan dito ang Bacolor. 3-point shot on its way. Wala. Offensive rebound. Teka muna. Sabi ni referee, meron tayong foul sa ilalim. At ang foul na matatawagan ay para kay Manana. That's also his first personal. At penalty na po ang Arayat. That means free throws na for the defendant party. And of course, binabati ko lang ang ating buting commissioner na si Coach Leo Saak. Marketing head ng Sigan Liga Asia nandyan in attendance si Marco Visitacion. At yung ating security nandito rin. Dati siyang kagawad sa barangay Namayan, Mandaluyong City. Of course, we also like to greet the chairman of Sigan Liga Asia, Chairman Rakichan. Hello, sir. And of course, kung nanonood ngayon si Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, again, congratulations doon sa isang liga. Hopefully, you make it to the finals and be the undisputed regional champion in Philippine basketball. Yan ang talagang vision ni Governor Delta Pineda way back. 7 on the shot clock. Uy! Di na pumasok, but great stick back there by Manise. Great presence of mind. 12-5 now. 7 puntos ang abante ng Bacolor. Time down to 3 minutes and 27 sa ating first quarter. Spread out offense dito para sa Arayat. Tinitingnan nila kung sinong open. Nako, I think will not count that basket. Meron tayong foul bago yan. At tinawagan ng foul ay si number 17 ng Bacolor. Tingnan natin doon sa instant replay how they manufactured this drive and tipin. Ayan, nakita natin si Manise. Nasa right place at the right hand. On the other hand, meron tayong error. We're back to live action. Error po ng Arayat. The lead is 7. 3 minutes and 7 remaining sa ating first quarter. Kumusta po kayo mga kabaleng? Hope you have a great Sunday morning. Joquino. Ito, 3-point shot. Left corner court. Wala. Walang rebound ditong Arayat. Tumatakbo sila ngayon. But great transition defense. Great swipe. At ito na ang home run ni Pangilinan, pero sumobra ang kanyang layup. He comes to green. Hang time move. Unable to hit. Ito, putback. Ayun na, sumabit si Pangilinan probably. Let's check. It is Pangilinan, number 19. Para sa Bacolor. Dalawa pala, number 19 yan. First personal yan ni Pangilinan. First free throw, airball. Medyo, ang tawag yan sa ating mga kolokyal, pag ganyan na free throw, kulang sa kape. Ay, kanina, daming kami ni Direk Aldrin dyan. Of course, overall charge of production for this broadcast, of course, the head of this production is no other than the handsome Direk Aldrin Alejo. 12-6, 2:34, first quarter. 12 puntos na ang Bacolor. Look at the drive. Hindi nga lang pumasok. Ito na ba na highlight. At ito na ang Arayat tumatakbo. Outside sniping. Falls into place. Right on target. And just like that, the lead is chopped down to 3 para sa Arayat. With 2 minutes remaining. Pangilinan from the corner. Di siya makaganti. He tries it back. Pass to Lapina. Almost telegraph. One-handed shot. Oh. Manlutak with a floater. Minute and 47 remaining the balance sa ating first quarter. 14-9 ang ating talan. Pretty close game. First game of 6 sa ating Delta Cup in San Fernando, Pampanga. The drop. And a beautiful move. Both teams love to use the running hook. At yan ay second field goal na ni Canlas. 14-11. Approaching 1 minute and 25 sa ating first quarter. Nalusong, muntik na maagaw dito. Manlutak double team. Masikip ang daanan. And that time, ball touch last by the green shirts. At meron pa silang 6 seconds on the shot clock. Pangilinan from the inbound. Malakas ang kanyang 3-point attempt. But what I really like Pangilinan is that he is not hesitant to shoot those threes. Talagang pagka open na open sa Pangilinan, talaga ititirin niya talaga nonchalantly. Pero meron tayong foul sa ilalim. And since Arayat is in penalty situation as early as 2 minutes ago, free throws na naman tayo sa Bacolor. Manlutak. Great form. So, paubos na tayo sa ating first quarter of basketball action. Umalong ang kanyang free throw, but Brett Isuga says there's a lane violation. One more free throw will be given. At ito na muli. The free throw is good. A split. Alright, meron tayong substitution for both teams para sa Bacolor at sa Arayat. Sa ating mga kasinag, mamaya din, meron tayong mga games. One Kainta Arena sa Kainta Rizal. Oh, that time, it's another case up. Traveling. A minute and 1 remaining sa ating first quarter. Of course, binabati ko rin yung mga kasama nating basketball stars. Nung nandun sa Bulacan, si Alvin Patrimonio, nandun. And of course, sa Maynila, nakita rin kami ni Alan Kainig. Ayan. Talagang basketball legends, pero they continue to share their wisdom to our next generation. Samantala, miss shot there para sa Arayat. Tumatakbo kayo ng Bacolor. They have no numbers. It won't happen. Pangilinan, baseline drive. The one, shot rejected by Manalang ala Justin Baltazar. And that's a completion on the fast break by Arayat. Yan ang unang sapal ni Manalang. So I can see this guy that he's a very, very pesky defender. Meron tayong illegal pick para sa Bacolor. And Lapina will be the culprit. He will be going for his offensive foul. His first personal. Of course, ang ating official ball dito sa Delta Cup ay ang Molten. Yan din ang ginamit ko sa FIBA World Cup na nakaraan. And it was a successful hosting of FIBA World Cup here in Manila. 5 seconds remaining before the end of the first quarter. 3-point shot converted there by Dalusong. At dyan nagtatapos sa ating first quarter. Tabla tayo at 16. And we will show you some of the highlights of the first quarter on what transpired to be a great ball game. Pero bago yan, ito ang ating score. Tabla tayo at 16. End of the first quarter. You're still watching the Pampanga Municipality-CITIES basketball, aka Delta Cup. Back after these. Okay, nagpapatuloy po tayo dito sa Pampanga Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, aka the Delta Cup. Live na live po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. First game of 6 ng ating laban between Bacolor and Arayat. My name is Ryan Paro doing the call. And of course, this Delta Cup 2023 is sponsored by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than our beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And this is also powered by Sinag Liga Asia. So like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages, Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia. Yan, live na live po tayo sa ating mga social media platforms. Kanina may fast break finish doon ang Arayat. Nasa kanila pa rin ang bola. Munti na makaagaw dito ang Bacolor. They have 9 to shoot. The baseline drive thwarted. So both sides, Bacolor and Arayat, sapal ang kanilang mga baseline drives. Makikita natin nila yung ngipin sa depensa sa ilalim. So far, that's why the score is not that high. Second quarter pa lang tayo, wala pa sila sa 20 puntos. So both teams, they really put on premium defense. And speaking of defense, meron tayong foul. Alright, that last foul on Arayat will be on Bartolome. His first personal. Ito na ngayon ang white shirts ng Bacolor. From the left wing, the 3-point shot. Sumobra. Lapira saves it to Pangilinan. Corner, 3-feet bites. Got it to go. That's Dioquino. Kanyang first triple V connection. Sa puntos na lang hinahabol, or I'm sorry, it's a 1-point lead for Bacolor. 19 to 18. Nakaagaw muli dito ang Bacolor. Ito na, fast break. Tinapon na lang bola. Oh, look at that. The ball almost dropped. No look pass. Magic Johnson. Nice passing play by Arayat. But they bungled that opportunity. Kind of fast break for Bacolor. Here's the spin. The reverse. Beautiful. Dioquino dexterity in full display. Left-handed. And that deserves the highlight. Mamaya papakita natin yan on the dead ball situation. 21 to 18. Again, another turnover. Yeah, direct. Let's cue this that highlight reverse layup. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Look at this. He spins to his left. Dexterity in full display. That jackknife by Dioquino. Wow. 8 seconds na lang sa shot clock. Almost a backcourt violation. They do. Sabi ni referee Escalambre. Oh, sorry. That's referee Villafranca. Jersey number 22 pa rin nakita kong pumito. Okay. Unti-unti na po pumapasok ang mga tao dito sa BREN Convention Center. And of course, Sunday is Family Day dito sa mga Kapampangan. And I want to enjoy sports as a premium for building a nation. Sabi nga ni Gobleta. Ito, nakagaw dito ang Arayat. The baseball pitch, pump fake again. 2 players from Bacolor thwarting another opportunity that deserves a second look. Magnificent block shot. Look at the crowd in full delight. Mamaya direct natin yan, i-replay natin yung last rejection na yan. 14 to shoot. Baseline. Jump shot by Rodriguez. Wala. Offensive rebound. Martin made. Huli. Second straight rejection on that same play. But muntik na dito makaagaw ang Arayat. Fast break for Bacolor. Huli sa kamay, sabi ng referee. It's gonna be against Rodriguez probably. Okay. Tingnan natin. Hindi natin marireplay yung last block kanina. No? Ito na yung pinaka-latest. But anyway, that's free throws for Bacolor. And so far, kailangan talagang ayusin ng Bacolor kanilang free throw shooting. Dahil at this point in the first quarter, they only shoot about 50%. Oh, they misbowed. And Arayat will get back the possession. Three minutes gone by sa ating second quarter. Closely fought encounter, 21-18. 16 seconds sa shot clock. Ito ang tira sa labas. Tongkap. Fresh 14 para sa Arayat. And swinging the one on Tabaraki. And a bunch play. Nakaagaw dito ang white shirts. And they pass it to the white guy. Santos comes to grip. He gets it right back. Still one bite. Nakapanghihinayang ang mukha ni Santos. Bakit ko na pintis yung dalawang malapit na tira? Tremendous block. Bacolor has 4 rejections in this quarter. This is one of them. Superb swat. 21-18, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pipilitin pa rin ng Arayat na makapasok, pero they will try to put on premium on outside sniping and they failed. Fast break. Hang time. Sabi ng Panginoon, akin na muna ang bola. Pero nabitawan niya ang bola. We have a counter fast break. We have a foul on the break. And referee Escalambre whistled it authoritatively. A foul. At meron tayong substitutions on the floor. Papasok muli si Manluta. Quite a good first quarter. Good account of himself. A shade under 6 minutes remaining sa ating first half of action. Magmaga. Shake and bake move. Drive side. Against 3-4 defenders. Pero sabi ng referee is gonna be traveling. And that love sign between yours truly and Balong Monalo. From now on until we die, that's our swear forever. Samantala, eto na ang Arayat. Fast break opportunity went down the drain once again. Bacolor. Transition defense. Almost a magnificent offense. Santos drops it off to his teammate. The pump fake, the release. Wow, Arayat and Bacolor put premium in successive swats. That deserves a second look. Tingnan natin. Great timing on that shot clock. So we're seeing a Sunday block party of this first game, huh? So team fouls para sa Arayat. One team foul para sa Bacolor. The time remaining is 5 minutes and 24. It's a 3-point edge for Bacolor. Inbound on the baseline. Outside. Sobra. And here's Arayat on the one. Bartolome. Brings it downtown for the Wizards. Pasin ng 16 on the shot clock. Medyo kulang pa sa pwestuhan dito ang Arayat. Pipilitin na makapasok. Ito, outside snipe. Tingnan natin kung papasok yan. They still lost their touch. Got a fast break for Bacolor. The hang time by Manlutak. That time, he won't be denied. Balik sa limang abante ng Bacolor. 23-18. Time remaining 4 minutes and 47 sa ating second quarter. Hope you enjoyed us here. Ryan Parafo doing the call for the Delta Cup. Here's the drive. Inside. Oh, look at that inside incursion with a little body English. 4:31 remaining sa ating second quarter. Malayo pa po tayo sa ating first half. Mga kaibigan, Manluta. Great space. Drops it up. Santos puts it in. Ito yung design ng giving on play. Yan, nag-approve na si coach. Ikot na lang bola. Hanap kayo ng open man. And so far, they executed successfully. And speaking of successfully, that is an alley-oop give and go play. Wow. Nakasagot kagad ng Arayat. 4 minutes remaining. Bacolor right down the baseline. Nako. Nabitawan ng bola. Bartolome will engineer this fast break opportunity. And that time, he succeeds. And that last foul deserves a second look. But before anything else, and before we show you, or we will now show you this highlight, Bartolome with a finish. Timeout. Alright, kanina po nakita natin ang mga beautiful girls dito sa Kabalen, sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Uy, nagpapabati rin yung ating mga commentators sa Sinag Liga Asia, si Carlo, the one and only Pancho Alfonso. And of course, ang masasabi nating Mr. Windsor, si Enzo Galarosa. He has a girlfriend named Jenna Bautista. And both of the commentators si Nagliga Asia. And of course, si Louie, kasama rin. Oh, and of course, yung ang aking pinasa ng baton sa video announcer, si Ram Valid. Hello, Ram. Mamaya, nandyan po siya sa One Cainta Arena sa Cainta, Rizal para sa games ng Sinagliga Asia Lakas 40. And of course, I want to personally greet also the current coach ng Department of Agriculture, hindi na pala, commissioner na pala ng Sinagliga Asia sa Lakas 40, si Rodney The Slasher Santos. Hello, magandang umaga, sir. Ayan, dream ko rin yan na makasama yan sina Enzo at Pancho sa panel, no? Very soon. In the meantime, let's focus now on this game at hand. It's a close ball game. Arayat has an opportunity to take this lead for the very first time in this ball game, and they almost do. Took back. That is the strength of Arayat. Brute force inside. Rodriguez coming through. And that's foul now sa Bacolor. At si Rodriguez, southpaw, could not complete the three-point play opportunity. Pero meron tayong whistle by the refs. And it's going to be a push. Let's see that again in a replay in slow-mo on that end one play supposed to be. Rodriguez times his way for that stick back. Time down to 2 minutes and 47 in the balance sa ating first quarter. Claros first time in the ball game para sa Bacolor. Claros from the corner to make a 3-point shot. Wala. Manlutak. Look at that. He's very wide open pero nabitawan niya ang bola, and that takes the cake out of Bacolor as a player from Arayat scored a basket so easily. And now Bacolor. Sila naman ang dehado. Joquino left-handed. Oh, that shot would brought the house down. Ang hirap nun, ha? Binitin niya yung kaliwa. Back-iron nga lang. Ito, ang line 3-point shot. And now Bacolor's turn to go on a fast lane. The drop. And that's a perfectly executed play. Manlutak makes it good. Make it so easy. Less than 2 minutes na lamang tayo. Papunta na tayo sa first semester before both teams go to the locker room at halftime. Lamang po ang Arayat ng isa. On the outside, we have a 3-point shot. That's not good. Prince Biwa, nice pump fake. Bumitin. That ball almost up. Look at the bench. Look at the bench of Arayat. They're jumping up and down into the light. And this guy, Rodriguez, reminds me of Zach Randolph, ha? Yung pwestuhan niya, yung kanyang offensive rebounding. Pero yung free throw shooting, kailangan pa niya mag-improve, ano? He still has a raw physique, but he has a good IQ. However, Rodriguez failed to cash in those free throws. A minute and a half remaining sa ating first half. Ito na ang Bacolor. 3-point shot na naman sa kaliwa. That time, it's all iron and it's all net. At lamang muli ang Bacolor. 30-28. Back iron the 3-point shot to the right. At meron tayong whistle galing kay Birds Isuga. It's gonna be a foul. Let's see that again. May slow mo. Akala ko may slow mo tayo. Team foul picture. Bacolor meron ng 4. That means they're now on penalty situation. Third team foul pa lamang yan ng Arayat. So the next foul on Bacolor will send Arayat to the free throw area. Ito. Man-to-man defense now. Look at that spin move inside the plate. A spin cycle in full display by Pare. Siguro sinabi niya sa sarili niya, sa mga team siya, pre, ganito umikot. Nabitawan ni Manlutang ang bola. Turnover, and now Arayat will go to the juggernaut. Rodriguez with a drop pass. Right down the baseline. The runner, sumobra. Time down to 37 seconds at the first quarter. Ito si Manlutak, tumatakbo, hang time move. That is beautiful to watch. And we are dead even Steven at 30. That's a second, or now, I'm sorry, that's a 32-30 now. Lamang ang Bacolor ng dalawa. We have a timeout. These are some of the fans dito sa BREN Convention Center as we see some of the highlights with his great spin cycle. This guy can really create a situation. 32-30 ang tintalaan. Time down to 32 ticks before we call this a semester. Arayat ang may taka na bola. Meron tayong out of bounds play. Sabi ni Manlutang, bola dapat ng amin pero okay lang. Okay, then gonna review. Okay, tinatanong ni Bert Isuga kay Coach Leo sa let's have a challenge. Okay, we're gonna have a instant replay. We will have the coach's challenge coming from the team of Bacolor. Let's review yung last out of bounds play. Direct paki-review lang po yung out of bounds play. Yung tapik kanina, dadaan-daanin natin yan. Okay, let's wait. Our director here, Alden Alea, will now fine-tune its position, and the referees will see this last bit of action in slow-mo. Let's watch this. Ito yung ayun. Isa pa, direct. One more time. Let's review it one more time. Para makita ng replay. Isa pa. Take 2 tayo. Ayan. Dahan-dahan natin yan. Yeah, that's a better angle. Okay. That's the better angle. The referees will decide now. Okay. So, ang challenge po ng Bacolor dapat sa kanilang bola, and the challenge is successful. Ayan. So, sa ating rule dito sa FIBA, every team has 1 coach's challenge per game. Ayan. So, challenge successful po para sa Bacolor. On the 22nd mark of the second quarter. A second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Kita niyo yan sa top right side on your screens. Ito na ang drive. Kick out. 3-point shot on its way. Bingo! That's bingo! Ho-ho! At dyan na po nagtatapos sa ating first half. Wow! Bacolor, just like that, gives a driver's seat by Kapati's 3-point bomb. And we will show you now some highlights of the first half as we have this halftime score of 35-30. Okay. Halftime score natin is 35-30. Mamaya papakita natin yan mga halftime highlights. But first, let's pause for some reminders. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup. Okay, we're about to start the second half of our first game of our 6 games dito po sa Pampanga Municipality-Cities Basketball, also known as Delta Cup. Our halftime score stands at 35-30. Lamang po ang 5 puntos ng Bacolor. My name is Juan Paro doing the call. And let's see now some highlights of the first half, starting with this basket by Canlas. And this is the nice getaway and a tip in. And with that spin cycle, konting dukot, jackknife. And on the other end for Bacolor, the drop pass and a glass hit by Santos. And that's some of the highlights of our first half. And we're going to show you now the leading scorers for both squads. Manlutak 12, Jogino 6, and Manasi 6 for Bacolor. Dalusong 7, Porha 4, Canlas 4 for Arayat. Those are the top scores, and we are about to bring you the first half. And of course, you're still watching the Municipalities and Cities Basketball Delta Cup 2023. Of course, brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than our beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, as we see a basket by Pare. And of course, this particular live stream is also streamed live sa Sinag Liga Asia. So we suggest like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages, PIO and Sinag Liga Asia. And also, I share this particular live stream to my personal Facebook page. In the meantime, Canlas, fast break finish for Arayat. And they're just within one, breathing the neck. At nakikita ko na ang Lubao at Makabebe. And I think, tama ba? Lubao ba yung nakita ko kanina? Makabebe pala nakita ko. They will play in the second game. Oh, the president of Sinag Liga Asia is now in attendance. Sir Ray Alao. How about this? And we're both wearing green. Ay siya nga pala sa ating mga kasama sa UNTV, paumanhin po kay kasama ko si Erwin Awitin. I really want to help you out, but the schedule does not permit me. But anyway, probably by Thursday makapunta ako dyan sa UNTV Cup. Canlas, or rather it's Bacolor's play. Canlas with a defensive gem earlier. Now, balik tayo sa action. Arayat with the possession. 3-point shot on its way. Wala. Para for a rebound. Rodriguez. There's a tap by Moral. It will stay with Arayat. And they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. So, the two VIPs. Si Commissioner Leo Itzak and Ray Alao is in attendance. Mamaya, makita natin yan. Introduce natin yan sa camera. However, meron ba tayong sab? Okay. Meron tayong isang player na nagsisintas ng sapatos. Guina will inbound and right in front of us. At ito na ang Arayat Pare on the right wing. There's a pick provided by Guina. Kick out. 3-point shot on its way. Malakas. Rodriguez powers his way. The spin move. The drop pass inside to his teammate. Gipit sa ilalim. Graves timing defense there by Bacolor interior. That produced nothing for Arayat. Moral, breakneck speed, thwarted again. Second time around that Arayat pinigilan ng fast break opportunity ng Bacolor. Tungkap ang 3-point shot. Offensive rebound. The glass shot didn't work. Samantala, medyo winded ang isang player na si Rodriguez. And I think he will be immediately replaced. Hindi natin makita na sa ating view what happened to Rodriguez. I don't know if there's blood on his eyes or in his face, or there's some swelling. Oh, there's blood. There's blood in his eyes. There's a gash. There's a gash on the right face na malapit sa kanyang mata. So that needs medical attention, and that's an immediate replacement for Arayat. So, ayan, ating mga fans at ang mga medical staff ng Team Arayat ay inaayos ang face ni Rodriguez. Sayang pa naman, ang ganda pa naman ang kanyang laro. But, the other teammates will try to step it up in his place, and Para is one of them. As he drives to the basket, draws a foul, and will take 2 free throws para sa Arayat. So, Macabebe will be the next game. So, they're now preparing. They're now warming up on their dugout. First free throw is good. Okay. In just a short while, let me announce the games later on sa Kainta para sa Sinag Liga Asia. Mamaya yan i-announce natin. First free throw there. Number even Steven at 35. That's the third deadlock. Moral, siya ang may dadala ng bola. He's on the right wing. There's a pick. However, the pick we did not materialize because that's a moving pick. Results in an offensive foul. Alright, back to live action. Okay, let me now announce for our viewers, sa mga Sinag Liga Asia viewers, sa mga games natin sa Kainta, One Kainta Arena. First game, 2 p.m., San Juan Exile versus AMB Mamba. 4 p.m., Bayabas Kenalit versus Santa Rosa Lion Saints. And the main game is 6, Taytay Archie Project versus Bolap Athletics West Fairview. That's Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40. And Manlutak, nagpakita ng lakas sa fast break. Nagresulta ng foul. Medyo natutuwa si Derek. Yung mga segue ko, biglang-bigla, you know. Kailangan ganun eh. As a broadcaster, you should expect the unexpected. And this is an expected play for Bacolor simply because Manlutak is one of the go-to guys. The only thing that Bacolor needs to improve on is their free throw shooting, and so far they're shooting below 50%. Split by Manlutak. 1-point game for Bacolor. Time down to 6 minutes and 56 ating third chapter. At eto na ang Arayat. Daan-daan nagtitimon. Binigay kay Canlas. Now top of the GUIAO area. Canlas drives out to the hole. Draws a foul. And the last foul is on Manlutak. Inbound now for Arayat. From the baseline pare. There's a double team. Binigay kay Balusong. 9 to shoot para sa Arayat. Balusong drives hard. Santiago from the corner. Bounces out. High on the rebound is Moral. So restoring morality into the part of Bacolor, but the ball almost taken away by Pare. And the white shirts will still have the basketball with 19 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound. Low post play. That results for traveling. (36-35). So that's already the 4th traveling error in this ball game. Arayat na may tangan ng bola. The point guard goes left. Here's the baseline dive once again. Nice scoop shot by Dalusong. Talagang dinaluyong ang kanyang drive sa loob. Lamang muli ang Arayat. 37-36 is a ping pong match that we're seeing in right now. 40 to shoot. Balutak momentarily lost it. Taken away by Pare. The lob to Canlas. Alley-oop to perfection. And the coach of Bacolor has seen enough. And they're down within what? 1 point? 3 points. 39-36. Let's take a look at this. Steal. The alley-oop. The finish. And the timeout. All right. If you remember the song in the late 2000s, the song by Sean Kingston, Beautiful Girls, That's exactly what I see right now dito sa BREN Convention Center. Mapapakanta ka talaga sa iyong puso. Diba? Balik tayo sa action. 3-point lead para sa Arayat. Bacolor possession. They almost tied the ball game with a 3-point attempt. Again, another defensive stance. Shot block once again. It is a barge play. Manisi steals it. Drives hand to the hole. And delivers. Aba, si Manisi nagpapakitang gilas para sa Bacolor. They're just within 1 point. Approaching the halfway house sa ating third quarter. Balusong. Let's see what will be the call. There's a foul. The ban used for Balusong. He hurt his knee so hard. He hardly gets up. And he's slightly grimacing in pain. Hope he's okay, but with the way of his space, medyo nasaktan talaga siya ng todo. Panoorin natin ang replay kung anong nangyari. Boom! Nagkabanggaan sila ng tuhod. Right in front of Manalang. Their knees were banged. One more look. Let's see that again in slow motion. There you go. Nagkabanggaan ng kaliwang tuhod at kanan na tuhod. Kitang-kita sa slow-mo. But now, he's slightly A-okay. And the team pound picture shows Bacolor already have 4 and only 1 for Arayat. So, dito natin makikita yung aggressiveness ngayon ng Arayat and fishing fouls. And the next fouls of Bacolor will send Arayat to the free throw line. Exactly 5 minutes, halfway point of the third quarter. Manalang with a pick. The jump shot by Pare. Yes. Sabi niya sa mga teammates niya, yan ang pare ko. Jump shot. Instantly. 41-38. Arayat with a 3-point lead. 18 to shoot. There's a double team. 15 on the shot clock. They swing it around on the right wing. Nakalusot. Beautiful escape act. Back to a 1-point lead para sa Arayat with 4:21 or 4:24 remaining. The hang time move. Nako, sumobra. Pass break for Arayat. Manise goes to town, but he lost his bearings, lost the letter, and lost possession. Alright, 2 persons now checks in for Bacolor. So they literally replace the backcourt. That's De La Cruz. Ito na ang ofensa ng Arayat. From the left corner, the swing inawan to the right wing. Nabitawan ni Malalang. Ito na si Pangilinan. The handoff. That results almost to another turnover. Good drop. And a perfectly executed play by Bacolor to the delight of the Bacolor crowd here in GUIAO. 42-41. The crowd slightly chanting defense in Bacolor's favor. Baseline drive. That time he delivered. 43-42. Sagutan dito ng baskets for both Arayat and Bacolor respectively. 30 on the shot clock. 3-point shot on its way. Wala. Lob pass once again. Sumobra pasa kay Canlas. Still have 3 minutes to go. Unsuccessful. And that pivot that results into traveling. 43-42. 1-point lead para sa Arayat. Time down to 2 minutes and 55 in the third quarter. Joquino nagdadala, nagtitimon. He goes right. Pulls up a jump shot from 19 feet. Picture perfect. It's a 1-point lead for Bacolor. 44-43. 2 minutes and 37 remaining in the third quarter. Again, another turnover for Arayat. So medyo nagkabaliktaran ng turnovers. First half, maraming turnovers sa Bacolor. Now, in the second half, Arayat has its number. Joquino brings it downtown. Dahan-dahan binababa ang bola sa kaliwang bangin ng court. Baseline drive once again. Sumobra pero there's sabit. There's a foul. De La Cruz went to the line for 2 free throws. 44-43. Make that 45-43. Sa pang free throw para kay De La Cruz. 46-43. Ball possession na para sa Arayat from the backcourt. 14 fouls for Bacolor, 2 team fouls para sa Arayat, 2:19 remaining sa ating third quarter. Borja momentarily open. Sumobra ang kanyang 3-point attempt. Luckily for them, it stays in the backyard. Only 9 seconds on the shot clock para sa Arayat. Marcelo inbounds. And that is a bad inbound. .209 remaining. Approaching the 2-minute mark sa ating third quarter. Joaquino siya nagtitimon para sa Villa de Bacolor. From top of the key, the lob pass. That's an exact pass, but that time another rejection. And Arayat will keep it alive. They have 20 on the shot clock. Nandiyan pa rin sila sa backcourt. 46-43. That was tapped. Inside. Outside to Canlas. The 3 ball. The air ball. Reverse. They will get it. One-handed shot. This time he uses his length of the arms and soft release. The lead is 5 para sa Bacolor. 49-43. Pangilinan with that last basket pero meron tayong foul away from the play. At since penalty na po, ay wala pa pala sa penalty. Sorry. That's, yeah. So, ang Bacolor ay penalty. So, the offended party Arayat will send Borja for 2 free throw shots. 48-44. Okay, second free throw po. Hindi pumasok. Get it right back. And that's a 3-point play. In an indirect way. The lead is 2 para sa Bacolor. 48-46. Time down to 1 minute and 5. The third quarter 3-point shot. Inaalat ng Ateneo sa 3 points. And there is a foul. Okay, wala tayong free throws. Non-shooting foul yan. Here's the inbound from the baseline. 59 takes. Oh, they find an open guy. Ah, he blew it. Got a fast break for Arayat. Here's the banging bodies. Canlas. The glass shot didn't work. And the White Shirts wants to restore order. 40 seconds to go sa ating third quarter. Here's the baseline jumper. Air ball. We'll try it again. 7 seconds on the shot clock. The scoop shot. Nako, mabitin. Another counter steal. And suddenly Bacolor relinquish that lead and they're now up by 4 with 14 seconds to go. Down to 9 seconds. Last shot time para sa Arayat. Marcelo, he's on the right wing. 5 seconds to go. Are they aware of it? Borja on the outside. 1 second to go. He lets it fly from 3-point country. He will not read it. Diyan po nagtatapos nating third quarter. 50 para sa Bacolor. And 46 para sa Arayat. And let us show some of the highlights of the third quarter. But first, here's the score, 50-46. Bacolor up by 4. We'll be right back for the payoff period after these reminders. Alright, let's show you now some of the highlights of the third quarter as we prepare for this fourth quarter action. The drive and draw play there ng Bacolor. At dito naman sa Arayat, baseline drive. Nakaproduce ng puntos doon si number 15. Those are some of the highlights as we start now the fourth quarter action. My name is Ryan Pajaro, doing the call live and direct dito po sa GUIAO Convention Center sa San Fernando, Pampanga. The continuing coverage of your Pampanga Municipalities and Cities Basketball League, also known as Delta Cup 2023. And of course, this is brought to you by the Pampanga Information Office, headed up by no less than the beloved Governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And this is also powered by Sinag Liga Asia. You can like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages of Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia on those social media platforms. Game story natin dito, medyo digita ng laban. Nagkaroon ng konting turnovers dun sa middle of the third quarter, pero medyo nag-pick up ang scoring sa third quarter nung naipapasok nila yung mga give and go plays. Act of shooting. 2 free throws para sa Arayat. 16-20 by 2. Nice form. And he catch it. Ayan ang ating mga Kabalen fans here. Live na live sila dito sa BREN Convention. Second free throw. It's in the cash. 52-48 if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Lamang po ang Bacolor ng 2 puntos. 9.5 minutes remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Nabitawan na naman ang bola. Ito, chance ng Arayat to tie. The layup by Pare. Masyado malakas. And that is a possession back to Bacolor as we have substitution on the floor. Alright, Bacolor na may possession. Bolaan siya ng titimon para sa white shirts. This is just the first game of 6. We still have 5 games remaining. That's why I want to conserve my boys until the last coverage. However, meron konting nudge. And that will be an offensive foul against Bacolor. That's Malala. American by sa ating fourth quarter. Alright, may tangan na bola. 20 by 2 points. There's a pick provided. There's some switch. Meron tayong foul given up by Bacolor. And again, it's Pangilinan. And Pangilinan, sabi ni Toto Marquez, that's his third personal foul. And suddenly, Bacolor is in team foul trouble. Meron silang 4 na team fouls. Next fouls of Bacolor will be free throws for the offended party. Left-handed shot. Air balls that from 3-point territory. Tumatakbo ngayon ang Bacolor. Lamang sila ng dalawa. Almost a lost play. And the ball goes back to Arayat. Alright, confirm na po ang ating next game. It's gonna be GUIAO versus Macabebe. .36 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Wala pa po team foul ng Arayat. Kahit ang may tangan ng bola. They swing it one to the left wing. They want to clear one. Here's the drive. Tatlo sumalubong. Great timing defense. They're just sticking too close. Si Pangilinan, and Pangilinan now has 4 fouls. He is 1 away from exile. Yun. Penalty na po ang Bacolor. Dalawang free throws. Hindi pumasok. Let's see that again in slow-mo. On that inside by yan, kitang-kita yung holding foul. And Pangilinan now has 4 personal fouls. Alright, very nice substitution after that made basket. And Pangilinan will be instantly replaced, and he'll preserve his energy maybe in the last 3 minutes of this ball game. 8:19 remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Moral, siya nagtitimon para sa Bacolor. They have 17 seconds to shoot. Great feed inside. Whoa. Lapera with another basket. 52-49. In the meantime, a missed shot for Arayat. This is just a 3-point game. The layup, ooh, sumobra, put back inside the paint. It didn't pay up. Third serving. Yes, sir. And Bacolor unleashing his offensive might with those offensive rebounds. As we take a look at this bit of action in slow-mo. After the miss, gets it right back, draws a foul, and misses the 3-point play opportunity. We're back to live action. 54-49, 7.5 minutes remaining. Start the fourth and final quarter. Canlas. He threw it away. And the guard almost get a foul to the other guy. That's Isidro, if I'm not mistaken. We'll check that. Alright, substitution now for Lawao. Free throws. A problem for Bacolor. Ang dami nila mintis, ano? So yung comeback aspirations ng Arayat pwede pa. Split. $55-49. Time down to 7 minutes remaining sa ating final quarter. Ooh! Nakuha ni Sir Ray Alaw ang bola. Front court inbound with 16 to shoot para sa Arayat. He goes left. Ooh, teka muna. Meron tayong foul downstairs. Away from the play. Alright, every foul ng nakagwi will be penalty in effect. Take a look at this in slow-mo. For the far box, ayun. May pick. Ay yung posisyon na nila ng dalawa. Kiskisa, merong foul. So, Arayat will be tested at free throw line. They bungled under pressure. One more free throw on the block for Arayat. Split. Shot from the left corner. O left corner court. Wala. Para kay Maluta. Reed is 5 for Arayat. Still within striking distance to come back. Jump shot on its way. Wala. They still get the rebound. And we have a heist. Moral up ahead. He says goodbye. Lead is back to 7 for Bacolor. 57-50. Time down to 6 minutes and 16 in the quarterfinal quarter. Arayat must assert themselves, but those turnovers will not help their cause. And Arayat team needs to call a timeout because their plays are a little bit disarray. We'll be right back. Let's see this last play. Fast break conversion by Bacolor. We have a timeout. Again, nagpapatuloy po tayo dito sa Delta Cup. Live to live sa GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Ryan Palo po doing the call. And let me now announce the games tomorrow para sa ating collegiate league na ISAA, Interscholastic Athletic Association. Our games are: first game at 9:30, Preston College versus PWU. Second game at 11, University Asia Pacific versus ICC. 1 a.m. Aliac versus LCCM. And 3 p.m. Preston versus La Consolacion. Those games will be brought to you by Alvin Jantanyada. This game from a successful Asia Basket. Congratulations sa St. Brinilda. Asia Basket Championship na doon. Babalik sa Alvin Jantanyada bukas. 7-point lead for Bacolor. Delta Cup now in full swing here in San Fernando City, Pampanga. And now the defense is beginning to be tighter. And a foul, offensive foul, give it up against Gina. The lead is 7 for Bacolor. Take a look at this in slow-mo. Tingnan natin saan yung walo. Ayun, hinawi. Kitang-kita. Thank you, Direk, for that replay. Approaching the halfway house of 14th final quarter. 13 to shoot now para sa White Shirts. De La Cruz, he's gun shy. Not this guy. 3-point shot. Nope. Meron tayong foul sa ilalim. It is going to be a holding foul para sa Arayat. That's Borja. Here's the runner. 10 to shoot. Ayaw pa rin. And Arayat has it, pero binaba niya ang bola. And mad scramble for the letter. That's result of the jump ball. Possession para sa Bacolor. Exactly the halfway house of the final quarter. 5 minutes. Nag-aantay na po ang Makabebe at ang Guagua. That's our next game. That will be the second game of 6. Don't forget, after this game, yours truly, Ryan Pano, will interview our best player of the ball game. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan yan. Arayat with an important possession. They're trailing by 7. The drop. Could have been a good execution. Buti na kanila Moral, pero natapon. Look at that swipe by Moral, but Moral runs out of space. Good thing, Bacolor keeps it alive. The finger roll is rejected. Action picks up at this juncture, and we have a foul against Bacolor. That last foul will be given to De La Cruz. Penalty na po ang Bacolor. Two free throws for the offended party. Borja. muff the first free throw. Some required here at Bensi Young Convention Center in full delight. Obvious to obvious ang chin nila yung Bacolor. It's a split. 4 minutes, 33 seconds remaining in this ball game. Moral will bring it round town for Bacolor. 6-point edge, 57-51. The sidestep and a foul to book. So that puts both teams in penalty. Balutak, all important free throws. He's one of the prime candidates of the best player honors for Bacolor. He's a good shooter, but he's not, or I should say, a little subpar in his free throw shooting. Split. 57-51. Or he breaks both, I'm sorry. 7-point game for Bacolor. 4-11 sa ating fourth quarter. Check a big move. Nilabas kay Pare. Outside sniping. Does not fall into place. And the call will be Bacolor. Another turnover. Back to live action. 40 to shoot. The sidestep, the runner. Oh, he uses the glass so well. About ibang dumiskate sa Manlutak. He's looking good. He's one of the front runners of best play honors. Should Bacolor wins, but Pares says, let me handle this on the silver platter. He scored the basket. The lead is back to 7. Para sa Bacolor, 60-53. Time down to 3 minutes and 25 in the ball game. Baseline jumper. That's soft as silk. Manise makes good. Lead is back to 19. Bulldoze its way inside. There is a whistle. There is a foul upstairs. Let's see that again in replay. How they create the cut. Oh! Bigla ng tumilapon. Alright, the last player, number 17 of Bacolor, has just fouled out of the game. (62-53). It's a 9-point game now for Bacolor. Okay, this particular game, and this juncture game, let's check some of the greetings that we have sa ating Facebook page ng Pampanga Information Office. We have Eli Santos, Henry Chu, John Guise, Johnson, Edmar Cizon. Still, Arayat has a ball. Hang move didn't drop, but it will be free throws for the defended party. So medyo nagkulang ang backs out doon ng Bacolor after the missed free throw. (62-53). And Arayat beginning to crumble. They're on a 9-point hole with 2 minutes and 54 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. It's 2 free throws missed. Sorry, missed there for Arayat. 2 and 47 remaining in the balance at the fourth and final quarter. Bacolor. Why is it Bacolor? Moral 3-point shot. That one is a dagger. Suddenly the lead up to 12 points. 65-53 to the delight of Bacolor fans. And that deserves a timeout for Arayat. They need to stop this momentum shortly. Back to live action dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 65-53 ang ating talaan. .224 remaining. Let's see if Arayat can come back. Oh, that's a bodge play. Rejected by Pangilinan despite of having 4 fouls. And we just seconds away for our Twilight Zone. First game of 6. Moral with 13 to shoot. And ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the last 2 minutes of basketball action. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Molten, the official basketball of Delta Cup. Both teams now in penalty. Ito, 3-point shot. Nagmamadali na dito. And that's very important for Arayat. Chops down the lead to just 11, 67-56. But hey, Balutak. Muntik na siya makascore ng layup. Kind of fast break. Safety there by Moral with the heist. All right, there's a whistle on the foul. And one of our men in production will go to the scores table to find out who's the best player of the ball game. But in my opinion, Balutak will have it thumbs up for me para sa best player honors. De La Cruz sinks the free throw. And Pangilinan, despite having 4 fouls late of third quarter, he managed to stay in the game. That's amazing. And De La Cruz, best of free throw. 68-56. Is that counted? Yes, it does. If it worked, pero hindi. We'll take 2 anyways. Manlutak was called for the foul. First free throw, number 4 of Arayat. Second free throw. 68-58. The lead is 10. And so far, Manlutak has been scoring at will or also dishing assists. Look at that assist by Manlutak. Napaka-mautak ni Manlutak, ha? Ito, Moral has seized daylight. And that takes the cake against Arayat. The lead now is balloon to 12 points. Wala po tayong timeout, just a substitution. Play should resume. Wala po tayong timeout. Alright, this is just substitution to play. So the referee signaled to the players that, hey, this is just substitution. Siyempre, nasanay sila pag may basa na ganyan, timeout na, you know. But now, we have revised the FIBA rules. It's much better like that, ano? 60 seconds remaining before we declare Bacolor victorious. Not unless comeback aspirations for Arayat, but it won't happen as they miss another 3-point shot. With 48 ticks to go, ladies and gentlemen, we can now safely say for Bacolor, this game is in the refrigerator. The door is closed, the heads are cooling, the butter's getting hard, the jello's jiggling. And this guy, Baluta, creating situations to his teammates. And hopefully we will get a nod for this guy as best player. Of course, second honorable mention, I see Manise at si Pangilinan. Pangilinan now shooting free throws. And now that particular lead, 71-58, gets out of hand for Arayat as Arayat suffered its loss. And Bacolor will go to the win column. Final 39 seconds. Consolation prize for Bondok results in a foul. It's a 5 fouls on Rodriguez. All right, we're prolonging the agony for this. 35.1 seconds remaining. The lead of Bacolor is 13. All right, our officials, of course, Tournament Commissioner Leo Isaac and President and CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Ray Alaw, in attendance. Ang nagkakawagwa po ang mga bossing. Thank you very much, sirs, for your participation and your undying support for the Delta Cup, headed by no less than our beloved Governor, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Hello, sir, Governor Delta. Magandang umaga po at dakal salamat kay kayo. Hope to see you in person. Maybe today, why not, no? 12-point lead in just a moment. After this ball game, we will have the best player honors. Yours truly will interview our best player. Ang candidate natin dyan ay si Manlutak. Second honorable mention is Manisin Pangilinan. Yun ang tatlo natin pinipili. 10 seconds to shoot now. And a bounce pass. Nakaagaw dito. Teka, may foul. Okay. So, mga kaibigan, sure win na po ang Bacolor dito. At ang ating next game, Macabebe versus Guangua. Pareho sila naglaro. And hopefully they could improve their standings. Okay. Ipasok ang unang free throw. Para sa Arayat, that's Bartolome. 71-60, and that might be the final score. Arayat will now have no more defense. That should do it. They're just running down the clock. Oh, sabi ng oy, tama na. Gusto pang maka-score eh. Napapangiwi na lang si coach eh. Oh, gusto pang mag-buzzer beater. Oh! Akalain mo nag-buzzer beater pa? Is that counted? Yes! Basket counts! Direct, paki-replay nga lang ngayong yung last hit natin para makita natin ang referee's counted. Pero palagi ko counted yan eh. Isang tingin lang natin sa slow-mo, ha? Yung huling tira, yung desperate hit in just about a fraction of a second. And then after that, we'll have the interview. Can we have it? Yung huling tira sa half court. So that we will check if that basket counts. Alright, the final score natin is 73-63. Mukhang hindi tayo makakakuha ng replay. Alright, stand by please. I'll interview our best player of the ball game.
Final score natin 73-63 at ang ating best player natin si Manutak. Manutak, paano mo na-create yung situation sa mga teammates mo noong second quarter nung nag-break away kayo into a double-digit spread?
In-apply lang namin yung practice namin ng 1 week para makabounce back nga doon sa pagkatalo namin ng first game. Yung binigay na play namin ni coach, in-execute namin, nagawa naman namin kaya nagka-open yung mga kasama ko.
At alam natin Manlutak yung mga previous games, lalo na kung napanood mo yung last game against Lubao, Porac will be one of the top teams. Paano ito mapagpahandaan at mas maganda magiging offense at defense nyo? Dahil first half pa lang, ang dami yung mga sapal.
yun nga po, una mag-start sa practice ng mga teammates ko. Dapat pa rin, go hard pa din sa practice. Doble kayod pa. Para maiwasan yung mga pagkakamali, yung mga lapses namin.
Okay, Malutak, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, meron ka bang gustong batiin at pasalamatan?
Binabati ko po yung parents ko, yung pamilya ko sa Bacolor. Tsaka sa mga sumusuporta namin sa mga Bacolor. Tsaka kay Mayor Diwan Datu, tsaka kay Vice Mayor namin. Saka sa coach namin, si Coach Rexan, sa mga teammates ko.
Alright, congratulations sa iyo, Malutak, best player of the ball game. Stay tuned for our next game, Macabebe versus Guagua. This is Delta Cup.